Hi everyone, this video is going to be about the La Vida hotel. It's located not far from Girona airport, a 20-minute drive from Girona itself, and about the same distance from the seacoast. It's a good option if you are traveling by car and are going for a weekend getaway to visit Girona, Costa Brava beaches, or simply relax in nature and play golf. The rooms are very compact but fresh and modern. There is a large TV, a mini fridge, spacious shower, toiletries, and a balcony overlooking the golf course and partially the pool. They also provide sleepers and drinking water. But I missed having bedside tables and tea and coffee making facilities. The pool is small, almost always in the shade, and there are several sun loungers and towels. There is also an outdoor seating area nearby. Wait for it, I'm gonna show you everything later in the video. Breakfasts are decent, there is also a small free parking lot and we managed to park. The staff is very friendly, the accommodation tax was 22 euros per night. That's it, have a nice weekend!